Hello friends, welcome to KBK channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to make capsicum potato masala, and it's an excellent side dish for chapati, roti and naan. So let's get started. In a pan, add peanuts, around 4 to 5 cashew nuts. Dry roast them for 2 minutes and make it into a fine powder. Now the powder is ready. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add fennel seeds. Now goes in mustard seeds, urad dal, onion. Now goes in green chili. Here I am adding 4 green chilies. You can add as per your required spiciness, and you can also use chili powder instead if you don't like green chilies. Now fry this until the onion becomes slightly brown. Now add curry leaves. You can add fresh curry leaves if you have. Now goes in ginger garlic paste. Now fry this until the raw smell goes off. Now add turmeric. Now goes in tomato. Give it a good mix and fry until the tomatoes are well cooked and become soft. Now goes in 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds powder and 1 medium sized potato and half a glass of water. Give it a good mix. Now close the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked nicely. Now add capsicum, 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add as per your taste. Now add cashew and peanut powder, which we have grinded before, along with 1 glass of water. Give it a good mix and close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add garam masala and just cook for another 30 seconds. Finally, add coriander leaves. That's it. Our delicious capsicum aloo masala is ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe. Please do try at home and let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest recipes. Thank you.